Hello everyone. In this video we will see the update module of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra application. So update module is used to see all the details of all the transactions of all the data entry we have done, as well as to sync our data to the server. So for that we need to click on the menu, and in the menu we need to click on the update and summary. So in this update and summary we have all the details of the cash collection summary, check payments and receipt payments. So for the cash collection summary, herein we see the details of all the transactions made via coupons. We see the details like coupons issued, coupons distributed, balance coupons, how many coupons, how many cash have been collected with the help of coupons, etc. If we want to see more details of the coupons, we can click on see details. Here in see details we see the details like issue date, that is the date on which we distributed the coupon, as well as how many coupons we have distributed for rupees 10, 100 and 1000, and the total amount collected through the coupons. Along with that we have a sync status. Herein for the first transaction we can see that there is a green tick mark that states that this data has been synced to the server, and the one with the yellow colored exclamation mark, it shows that this data is not synced to the server till yet. It is in pending state and it is only saved into the phone. If in any case our application gets logged out or uninstalled, in that case the data which is not synced till yet will be lost. Likewise, for the check payments we see the details like check collected, that is the amount collected through checks, then how much amount we have deposited into the bank, how much amount have been realized and how much amount has not been realized, and the number of checks which has bounced. All these details we can see. And if we want to see more details, we can click on see details. Herein we see the account number of the donor, the mobile number of the donor, receipt number, the receipt we have given to the donors, the number of that receipt, then amount collected through that check, and again the sync status. And in the similar manner we have receipt payments. In receipt payments we see the details like how much donors have been registered and how much cash has been collected by the donors. If we want to see more details, we can click on see details. Herein for the cash payments we see the details like name of the donor, their mobile number, receipt number and the amount collected through cash, and also the sync status. Now this is how we see the details of all the data entry we have done through coupons, checks and cash payments. Now it comes to the syncing of the data, that whatever data entry we have done, how we should sync the data to the server. For that we need to click on update now. This will download some processes and sync the data to the server, and afterwards we get this message as record sync successfully. Now if we go to the see details of any of the payment method, any of the transaction method, then we can see that now there was this exclamation mark, yellow colored exclamation mark, but now it has turned into the green colored tick mark. This indicates that this data has been synced to the server successfully. So we need to be careful that whenever we do data entry, we need to click on the update now and sync our data to the server. Then only we will be reassured that our data is not going to be lost anywhere. So this is how we use the update and summary module. Thank you.